Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic LibreCAD tutorials how to measure distance. As example, I will draw simple object. We draw rectangle from this point and we draw again in here. The next, if you want to measure distance between these two objects, we can use these tools, point to point, and I will click from this point into here. So you can see in command line the distance totally 62.0489. But if you want to know about distance between these two objects is 43.75. This is the distance between these two objects. To view, you can use these tools, vertical. I will select in here. The distance is 43.75. So in this value. But from this point to this point, you can use a line like this. The distance is 62.0489. This is okay. That's it. How to measure distance in LibreCAD. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.